Hi there, this is Kathy Karr-Garcia with the Beaches Realty Group here in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. Today I'm answering the question, what should I do to prepare my house for sale? Well, it depends. While some homes might be ready as is, others might need some work, especially if you want to maximize your selling price. Here are three key things to consider. 1. Repairs. First impressions matter. Ensure that your home doesn't appear to be neglected. Address any cracks, stains, or other issues that could send red flags to buyers. Considering partnering with your real estate professional to thoroughly inspect and complete necessary repairs. Staging. Number 2. Make your home move-in ready. Most buyers struggle visualizing their furniture in the space. Remove most of your personal photos and keepsakes. And most important, declutter. Statistics have proven professional staging helps showcase the potential of your home and attract higher offers. Curb appeal. Don't underestimate the power of first impressions. From the street, your home should look inviting, well-maintained. Consider the landscaping, the hardscaping, fresh paint, clean windows. Remember, curb appeal can add up to 15% of your home's value. Ready to learn more? I offer free consultations to assess your specific needs and help you get top dollar for your home. Just send me a message. Contact information. Give me a call.